if you all know, I own Pa-Edit Services, which I offers video editing, graphics, and everything that you need, di ba? Na graphics or creatives. And someone messaged me, which is a VA, and ayun, after that, nag-usap lang kami, and then nag-meet kami with the client, which is from UK. And ayun, nag-trial ako ng 1 week, and after that, today, ayan, kakamit lang namin, and I got my first freelance job, and they really like me. As a video editor, hindi ko lang ginagawa yung editing na kailangan nila, but I also input my own style, and alam mo yun, yung mga gusto kong gawin. Kaya naman, nagustuhan nila ako, and I have this personality daw na napakagaan and napakadaling work. Ayun guys, pag-usapan pa natin sa susunod. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Hindi ko nang alam talaga kung ano yung isi-share ko kasi I'm really happy.